Hello everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to fix the profile picture zoom problem on Instagram. If you're having trouble zooming in or out when setting your profile picture, follow these simple steps. Understand Instagram's aspect ratio. Instagram automatically crops profile pictures into a circle. So if your image is too big or not centered, it might be cropped oddly. Try selecting an image with more space around the edges to avoid awkward cropping. Next, resize your image. If Instagram doesn't allow you to zoom out or zoom in properly, use a photo editing app to adjust the image manually. Crop it into a square format ideally 1 by 1 before uploading it as your profile picture. Next, clear cache or reinstall Instagram. For Android users, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, select Storage, and tap Clear Cache. For iPhone users, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app from the App Store. This can resolve temporary glitches with the profile picture upload process. The next step is to update Instagram. Make sure you have the latest version of Instagram by visiting the App Store or Google Play Store. Bug fixes and updates often resolve issues like the zoom problem. After making the changes or updating the app, try uploading your profile picture again. You should be able to adjust the zoom more effectively now. And that's it. By following these steps, you can fix the profile picture zoom problem on Instagram. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!